Yo, that's Crusoe. This is actually the easiest way to tile people if you're using a large tile and your skirtings are off and that sort of thing. That's the ultimate. Okay. I thought I'd lost it. Yeah, no, this is the ultimate DIYs if you are doing your own floor. Take your skirtings off. It's super advisable if you're laying a large tile. I'll show you in a minute. And Sweet Marie who waits for me. Oh, I can't get that. I was just listening to a song on the radio. Now I can't get it out of my head. Do you guys find that? I'll have to turn the radio on straight away to get rid of it once I've put that in. Right, so I've got to go across my lines. I'm not very often a back butterer, but with the size of the tile, yes, it makes sense. And Sweet Marie who waits for me. He's hoping it doesn't break in half. As I'm putting it down. Hopefully not. Okay, guys. Got my ass jammed up. That's when a hand is good, but that's the only hand I've got, and that's the way I like it. I might just get shit all over my hands, but so be it. I like it. I haven't got a bucket of water either. Handy. Never mind. Right, I'm happy with that. Flip it up. Right. Get this glue off my hands. I'll scrape that up, I'll put that one in loose, and then I can mark that tile, pop that in, pop this one in, and hey, we're good to go. This is Chriso, see you soon. This one, DIYs, is I've taken both sides of the architrave off, so then I can just fold it down. It would have been, this one I haven't laid yet, but it would have been too difficult to try and slide it in. That was a tricky one, and I thought, wow, you're full? Just take off the architraves. I'm able to on this job, so I could have got around it by, if I had a hand, you know, but I haven't, and that's the way I prefer it. DIYs, you may not have a hand as well, so that's what you do, take off the architraves. I just noticed that bit of glue could go on there. Would you like jam with your back butter? Okay. My lines need to be going across. Let's get this sucker in, and then it's just another doorway there, but oh, easy. Life's not meant to be hard, people. Careful of that corner, putting it down. Might chip it. Might have to just gently walk on my tile there, step on my tile. That's looking good to me, Chucky. Right, let's get a cloth and some water, sponge and water. Just checking my... Okay, I need to move things around a little bit, but I'll get that tile in first. Okay, we'll see you soon.